So, how long have you guys been together?
1998 we met.
Yeah, we met. So almost 20 years.
And how did you meet?
We met on AOL
In a chat room.
in a chat room.
And we chatted for several months
And,
before we met in person.
I lived in the country north of San Francisco, and Richard lived in San Francisco. And I was in my early 50s at the time, and I figured I'm not the gay bar type, so we met online, and it was we met as friends, which was kind of cool. It wasn't wham bam thank you ma'am. It was more about it grew into a relationship.
And did you both share this sense of creativity and dressing, or it kind of grew together?
It kind of evolved. When we first got together, we were lumberjacks. No, we liked to wear like hiking clothes because we were always hiking, and
More Santa Fe like.
yeah, and people thought we were from Santa Fe. But when we got here and started working with this and being out in the country and being in Mexico, it's hard to find clothing, and I dressed like this back in the 60s, and so I just kind of figured, why not do it? Let's do it again. And so we buy a lot of stuff online. We shop online, and when we go on vacation, we shop there.
What do you think is the secret that keeps you guys together, or some things that for a long-lasting relationship?
Well, my secret is the fact that I love him, and that I've never been in a relationship where I've had this opportunity to love as a grown man, and I feel that I sowed all my wild oats, and I get a lot of support and a lot of encouragement. He never really. You do edit me some.
I do try to.
Yeah. But, I get away with a lot, and he's just more grown up, and he's more.
I'm the
fine.
quieter one.
Yeah.
As you might have
He's more
seen.
of an observer.
So it's really, maybe it's the balance.
Yeah.
Right. And I think most relationships that last have that balance.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Mm-hmm.